Hi students, welcome to Whichchem YouTube channel. So many students are worried about their preparation in the JEE Mains 2021. Okay, and anyhow it is going to be conducted 4 times. But those who wanted the quality education and the two private colleges are better scope after the BTech, then they are going for the BITSAT. Okay, so BITSAT is one of the premier engineering colleges which is running for the past 55 years. Okay, and it is available at the four places: Pilani, Dubai, Goa, and Hyderabad. Okay, and regarding this scholarships, many students are studying free of cost in the BITS. So many students feels that the cost of the course will be very high. Yes, it is high for them, those who are having the paying capacity and those who are meritorious students. For the meritorious students, BITS is giving very nominal fee. They are taking nominal fee and they are going to give you the scholarship. So that video details also there in our channel. In last year I have made so many videos. We have some paper discussions about the bits also, that also I am going to share you in the description box. So go through that in the description box and apply it. Okay, so coming to the point. Okay, so these are the specialities of the BITS. Okay, BITS is a private BTech college and it is also offers the PG and further courses also, located in four places, but it is quality is very high and also gives the opportunity for the meritorious students by giving the scholarship. Now this is the newest, see, 23rd February. Okay, applications are invited for the registering into BITSAT. So there is a separate exam they are going to conduct for admission into BITS. Only online admission test for admission into integrated first degree program, that is BTech, BITS Pilani and its campuses in Goa and Hyderabad. So this is only for the three places: Goa, Hyderabad, and Pilani. Okay. So for the academic year 2021-22, deadline for receiving online application along with this payment will be 29th May. Even though it is started here, so now we have plenty of time. Okay, for receiving applications 29th May. So for applying you have to click on the link below. Okay, here you have to click, and if you have any problems you can contact them at the given mail ID, or these are the phone numbers they have given. Okay, so here for knowing more about the various course, especially this BITS is offering BE, BPharm and MSc degrees also, other degrees like ME, MPharm also. Anyhow, this is only for the BTech. Okay, this notification is only for the BTech. So what are the things they are going to offer? These are all complete details are there. I will make a separate video for explaining all this, and before that you should subscribe my channel and inform to all your friends, those who are aspiring to be a good engineering students. Okay, so BITS Pilani is very good institute, and you can go through the scholarships offered by the BITS and classes about the BITS only. We have some booklets also, that also I am going to share in the description box, and you can join my Telegram channel. You can type, if you are in the class 12th, you can type first download the Telegram app and in that search as Whichchem class 12th. Then join in the Whichchem class 12th, where I will be conducting quizzes. I will be sharing you PDF. I will be sharing notes, classroom videos. So that is going to be a very happy session in our Telegram. So I think all of you will completely follow it. I will give you the link of this admission also in the group so that you can follow it. Thank you. Bye bye.